Hello, lovely people. I hope you all are doing well today. I wasn't going to originally post this video for many reasons, but I thought I would use this portion of the video and my small platform to tell anyone feeling somber today, please take the time to process your feelings and emotions. They are valid, and today it's okay not to be okay. To all of my Black women, all that I can say is I understand and I'm sorry. We as Black women are never enough. I want to let you know you are enough. And to any woman listening, no matter your ethnicity, you are enough and you matter. We as women have a long road ahead of us, and together we can make a difference. And now that I am done with my PSA, on to the rest of the vlog. It was a gorgeous day outside and I needed to take an oatmeal bath. So I just decided to do it outside. I made that face because I'm watching the show. It's called Hellcats. It's a really, really good show. My psoriasis is flaring up, and oatmeal baths are one of the only things that work for me. I would like to mention that I did add turmeric to my oatmeal bath, and that helps with inflammation, so do it that way you will. But if you watched my last vlog, you would know that I am in the middle of doing 75 hard and I am killing it on all of my objectives except for keeping an impeccably clean space. So that is what I am working on here in this portion of the vlog. You guys enjoy the rest of the time lapse. After I was done cleaning, I just spent the rest of the night eating pizza and watching the new Beetlejuice. It was very good, by the way. But this week's vlog is fairly short, so if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Leave your favorite heart emojis below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!